Hello everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In this video, we'll learn about the sorted square array problem and how to solve using JavaScript. This problem involves a created new sorted array with squared elements based on the given input array. So I'll just quickly read out the prompt for y'all. Given an array of integer in ascending order, write a function that returns blah 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 and resulting array also in the sorting array. Okay, so first thing I'll just write down. I mean, this is quite a simple algorithm. I'm gonna just quickly mention the steps. Empty array, and then what are we gonna do? Iterate, and then we are gonna for each square. Okay, my God. Each comma square. For each element, we're gonna square it. All right. And then after processing all the elements, sort them in ascending order. Okay. Then how are we gonna mention that? Okay, we are gonna say sort. Okay. Did I actually miss anything? Iterate. Okay. I'm not able to actually type properly today. Sorry for that. I don't know why my keyboard behaves like this. And then return. All right. It's a quite simple algorithm. And if we were not been using JavaScript, then we had to sort using some other algorithm. Like we have different sorting algorithms, quick sort, bubble sort. We are gonna go through each of these algorithms in detail in next lectures. Okay. So for now, we are going to focus how to write this algorithm, this particular sorted square algorithm. Let's just get started. Sorted square sorted. All right. .js, and I'm gonna say function sorted square. I say that okay. Const. I'll say square array, and then I'm gonna say for let I equals 0, and then I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna check whether it is less than equals to the length, then I plus plus. This is just a basic thing. I mean, for yeah, before we actually get started, for us to actually iterate through entire array, we use for loops, and to uh, do any particular function to entire array, we use for loops. Okay, so for example, we have this array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose, for example, we have to iterate through entire array. So we'll have to use for loop for this, okay? And if we want to change any of this item, let's suppose, for example, I have to change even numbers, evenly present, okay, in array index starts from 0, okay? So even will be 3, even number index are 3, and then after that plus 2, and then it'll be this. And likewise, all right? So I hope you must be understanding so far. And then let's begin. All right, we're just gonna multiply the same thing with itself. Where the hell is star? All right. Then I'm having a lot of type errors. I mean, I'm sorry for that. All right. So we have everything. We just have to sort it now. Sort in JavaScript, we use sort. We are gonna save time by doing that. A minus B, since we are having to sort it in ascending order. I hope this much is clear. All right. And then we are gonna say input equals to, I'm gonna say the same thing as input. All right, so our function needs only one parameter. So we have mentioned one parameter. We are going to save it in some, okay. So I'm gonna quickly say result is equals to sorted array. All right, I'm gonna say input and then I'm gonna just console it. And there you go. Got it. All right. Sorted dot j. All right. We get an error. What is it? Okay, I guess we are in the wrong folder. All right. The A is not defined. I mean, okay. All right, I did not close this. And okay, we have an extra bracket here. There you go. So thank you for watching my video. We'll meet you in our next lectures. We'll be discussing various other algorithms. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you so much.